Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Gala price prediction and Gala news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Gala in 2022. Gala Games aims to set a new direction for the gaming industry by giving players back control over their games. The mission of Gala Games is to create blockchain games that you actually want to play. The project plans to bring creative thinking back to games and give players control over games and in-game assets using blockchain technology. Players can own non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and influence the governance of games in the Gala Games ecosystem. The Founders Nodes voting mechanism allows players to influence which games Gala should develop and which games should receive funding. In addition to buying NFTs for certain games, Gala Games also uses Gala, its own utility token. So far, Gala Games has released one finished game, Town Star, and an NFT collectible series, Vox. Since launching in 2019, Gala Games has grown to 1.3 million monthly active users and sold 26,000 NFTs, the most expensive of which was valued at $3 million. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Gala. Gala Games, Gala price prediction. Gala keeps eyes on 20 cents next. Gala Games, Gala price is trading marginally lower on the weekend. Gala price action is noticeably bearish since February 9. As bulls are losing their patience, it looks more plausible that Gala price will first need to dip back towards 20 cents. Gala Games price continues to fall for the fourth straight day on Saturday. Gala broke below the crucial level, highlighting further downside risk for the pair. The upside is capped near 40 cents on the daily chart. As of press time, Gala United States dollar is trading at 28 cents, down 2% for the day. The 24-hour trading volume of the coin reads at $830,945,406 with 35% losses. Gala trades near a crucial level of make or break movement on the daily chart. Gala has dropped almost 82% from all-time highs of 84 cents to base. It is in this light that Gala has been adding support for new projects in the ecosystem such as the upcoming launch of Spittertinks and Legends Reborn. Aside from the gameplay, the newer generation of games launching on Gala has tapped into some of the growing trends in the P2E space like land and venue sales that provide users with a way to earn passive income, helping to grow a larger pool of community members who are invested in the protocol long-term. Partnerships with other protocols. A second factor helping to bolster the momentum for Gala has been the addition of new partnerships that are helping to expand the reach of its ecosystem. This includes a recently announced collaboration with the 888 Inner Circle community on Twitter, which is a community of more than 205,000 members who are fans of digital art and collectibles. Growing user base as a result of the expansion of the Gala ecosystem and the addition of ways to earn a yield through gameplay or other methods, such as running a Gala node, the community has seen a steady increase in the number of users over time, especially since the beginning of December 2021. According to data from Dune Analytics, the total number of Gala users stood at 122,230 on February 7, a figure that has tripled since November 7, 2021, from 40,380 users. Meanwhile, Vortex data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro began to detect a bullish outlook for Gala on January 27, prior to the recent price rise. The Vortex score, exclusive to Cointelegraph, is an algorithmic comparison of historical and current market conditions, derived from a combination of data points including market sentiment, trading volume, recent price movements and Twitter activity. As seen in the chart above, the Vortex score for Gala spiked into the green zone on Jan. 27 and hit a high of 82, around 48 hours before the price gained 114% over the next 7 days. $384 on February 7. Three reasons for the rapid recovery in Gala price are the upcoming launch of several new popular games on the protocol, a series of new partnerships that have helped expand the Gala ecosystem, and the growth of the Gala user base, which continues to hit new record highs. Launch of new games. The $30 billion P2E gaming sector is growing rapidly, and protocols that wish to keep pace and remain relevant need to launch new games and maintain an active user base. Mana price turned green, displaying a 3.66% intraday. The bullish candle retests the resistance trendline of the falling wedge pattern, attempting a bullish breakout. However, the buyers would face multiple resistance on its path, trying to limit the potential rally. The declining 20-day EMA could soon nosedive below the 200-day EMA. Mana price is poised to break out of the wedge formation. The 24-hour trading volume in the Decentraland token is $477 million, indicating an 82.5% gain. The DECENTRALAND Mana price showcased a slow and steady downfall within the falling wedge pattern. The correction phase started from the $3.5 level and has discounted the altcoin by 37%, hitting the $2.2 support. This reversal pattern could kickstart a recovery rally once the price gives a genuine breakout from the overhead resistance. As price action narrows inside the wedge, we are likely to see investors. Its average price for 2022 will be around 28 cents. Gala course prediction 2023. Gala will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Gala course will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2023, the Gala rate will be almost 38 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 47 cents. Gala the average price forecast for the end of 2023 could be around 40 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Gala course forecast 2024. Galas have great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Gala, the price could rise much higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of 67 cents. Gala is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of 55 cents, a minimum price of 53 cents, and a maximum price of 67 cents. Gala rate forecast 2025. It appears that by 2025, Gala prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2025, we can expect the average rate to be 78 cents. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that the maximum price of Gala could be up to 92 cents in 2025. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Gala rate forecast 2026. The current Gala price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Gala could reach $1.32 by 2026, with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $1.10 for 2026, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2026. Gala course prediction 2027. The cost of Gala will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2027 is bullish. Gala is expected to reach a maximum rate of $1.83 by the end of 2027, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Gala will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Gala will be between $1.52 and $1.58 expected in 2027 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Gala ranges from $1.52 to $1.83 for 2027. Gala rate prediction 2028. An impeccable approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this forecasting platform, Gala will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2028, Gala is expected to peak at $2.63. The minimum bet could rise to $2.14 if the market turns bullish. Gala course prediction 2029. In 2029, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Gala will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $3.70 in 2029. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $3.21, with a maximum price of $3.70 for 2029. Gala price forecast 2030. For a long-term forecast of the Gala price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of Gala will rise to around $4.53 by 2030 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2030, the year may end with a maximum price of $5.49 with a minimum price level $4.37.